Hello guys, today we make focaccia bread for beginner without stress. You will dirt or you will oil only your hands when you will eat it because you don't need any tools, no the machine to work in the dough. You need to fold the dough to have this spectacular result. Super easy. I'll show you the recipe after the intro. We need 400 ml of water at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, 250 grams of flour. Now we should mix everything very well. Will be super easy because we have a lot of water at the moment. After we need 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. We mix again everything very well and we add other 250 grams of flour. We mix again. Now the dough will be more tough, but don't worry, it's normal because we have a lot of water in this dough. The dough will still be soft. And now we cover and we store in the fridge at least for one night. Yes, right, after 34 hours, because when I'm supposed to bake it I have some issue, so I kept the dough in the fridge 24 hours more, so in total 34 hours. Now you take a baking pot. The baking pot is 8" per 12. You oil it with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now we can put the dough inside and we try to stretch, giving the shape of the baking pot, but don't worry, after, when the dough will grow, we'll fill the pot. We cover it and we wait until double. After 3 hours the dough grow a lot. Now we add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. We spread very well and with our fingers we do the holes, the classic holes of the focaccia. We spread different pinches of coarse salt. You see how soft it is. And now we put in the oven preheated at 250 Celsius degree. Ta-da! And after 23 minutes at 250 Celsius degree, our focaccia is ready. Now I will cut in big square and I will stuff with homemade ham cooked in a glass jar. You can find the recipe also, the homemade ham, in our book The Italian Way of Curing Meats. Spectacular, super soft, soft as a cloud. Spectacular, both. spectacular the focaccia, also spectacular the homemade ham. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have tried the focaccia recipe, let us know down in the comment. If you have tried the recipe of the ham, let us know down in the comment. If you have bought the book, let us know down in the comment if you like it. Bye bye. Really, really spectacular.